I'm Kathy Moore, and I'm a cowgirl who went to Hokkaido, Japan in July, August, September of 1958. So I was 5 years old when my dad started promoting heifer in the Colville Methodist Church. Growing up in a minister's family, we had many, many missionaries coming through as speakers. All the way through grade school and junior high, I really wanted to be a missionary, to do whatever I could, you know, to help people. Dad was deciding to be a cowboy. He decided I should go with him. He wanted to show me more of the world, you know, what a mission might be like. The first 3 days of the trip, I had to help my dad with the cows. He was very seasick, and so we would feed and water, and then he would clean the bedding and throw it overboard, you know. There was no excitement, there was no newborns on the trip, but it was just a very peaceful cruise. We got up to Hokkaido and we met Phil West, Dan West's brother, and we went with him to the two projects up on northern Hokkaido, looking across Sakhalin Island, you know, Siberia, seeing the improvement, not only heifer but crop, the organization that sends clover seed and grass seed had made in the countryside. Phil cattle had just arrived on the truck. They still had their tags on them and everything. They were unloaded from the truck, so we could see them being distributed. For many, many, many years, the descendants of heifer cows, you know, it helped many families. The need for heifer goes on and on.